So now students will be talking about conditional, the third conditional. When do we use it and how do we use it? So as I told you, we use this for unreal situation. Unreal situation when we want to change the past, when we think differently about the past. Okay, we all have regrets, we all make bad decisions sometimes. So when we regret them, when we think the past, when we think about the past with different result, in that particular situation we use third conditional. And how do we use it? Definitely, okay, for that we have two classes. For that we have two classes: if class versus result class. In the very first class, in if class, we present the situation. We present the situation. And in the second class, what we do? We present the result of that particular situation. So we have two classes for that. Okay. So now let's see. In the very first class, in the if class, we use if plus past perfect tense. Which tense? Past perfect tense. If plus had plus third form of the verb or past participle. And this is the structure of if class. And the next structure of result class is past participle with would have plus past participle. For example, just imagine France lost the final, the World Cup final of FIFA World Cup. Okay, so now you regret that it should not have happened from blah blah. So the result is France has been defeated. But now you're thinking about different result, different past. So what are you thinking? You're thinking if France had played well, if France had played well, they would have won the World Cup final. So look at this. What is the situation? France has been defeated, but we are thinking about different past with different result, isn't it? For example, I failed a test. I failed a test. This is the circumstances. This is the right current position of mine. I have failed the test. I'm sad about it, but I'm thinking differently about that right now. I'm thinking if I had put in efforts, if I had put in efforts, I would have passed the exam. Okay, in this third conditional, we can only think about past with different result. But it is also the conditional of impossibility. Thinking about past doesn't change the past. But still, you have this structure that can be used to think about past differently. Are you getting my point? Okay, that's fantastic. Are you getting my point? Okay, do you have any regret? Okay, all right. We all have regrets. We all have regrets. Okay. So, what we have to do now, you have to give me a few examples of that using third condition, the structure of third condition. Let me repeat it for you. If plus had plus past participle, and in the second class, would have plus past participle. In both classes we use past participle. In both classes we use past participle. Okay, so now the very first class is if class, and the second class is the class in which we present the result. Okay, if class presents, in if class we describe the situation, the particular situation. For example, if I had arrived earlier, if I had arrived earlier, I would not have missed the bus. So in the very first class, we have presented the situation. In the second class, what we did, yeah, the result of that particular situation. Okay, if class versus the result. Okay, so once again I'm telling you, this is only based on imagination, only thinking. You can think about past, but you cannot change the past. Are you getting my point? Yeah, that's the point. You cannot change the past, but you can still think about it. So I hope you're getting. Is there any problem, anyone? One thing, you have to remember some, you have to kind of memorize some irregular verbs. Definitely that will help you to, with that past participle. Okay? Okay, could you tell me a few? What is the past participle of the verb take? Taken. What is the past participle of the verb bring? Bring. Yes, brought. Okay. What is the past participle of the verb teach? You. Okay, taught. So, I hope you have understood what is third conditional, how you will use it. Okay, now it's your turn. Okay, are you ready? Okay, thanks.